Hello. Okay, so today is Wednesday. This was our third day of distance learning. And so if we look on Google Classroom, we look over here to Wednesday. The do now was to find something purple and bring it and then share it like this. This is purple, or this is purple. I showed you guys a lot of things because I love purple. Purple is my favorite color. So we did that. And then in class, we did this. We did decorate your locker so that we can all see the things that we like and we can look at each other's. So I showed you how to put these pictures inside because yours looks like this, and then you have to put in the pictures. So I said here, you need to go to Insert, Image, and search the web, and then we type what we're looking for. So if we go over here, let's say I'm gonna move my picture so you can see Insert, Image, search the web. So that's gonna be over here. And now let's say I want to look for ice cream because I love ice cream. So I'm gonna find this. I like strawberry ice cream, so I'm gonna pick this one and then press insert. And then that's going to put the picture there. And then I use my mouse and I make it smaller by clicking on these here and then moving them. Yeah, and then I can put it anywhere I want, like that, on my locker. Let's say I don't like the background. I'm going to go to Insert, Image, search the web. Instead of just ice cream, I'm gonna write transparent ice cream. So it says transparent ice cream. That transparent means see-through, like there's no background. So maybe I like this one here. This looks great. So I'm going to press it, click insert, and now look, I have ice cream, but there's no white in the back. So now I can put this here. Maybe I'll put the ice cream inside of my locker, right there. Okay, so I said you need to have pictures in here of things you like. You can put 10 things, and so this is what mine looks like, right? I put these because I love boba and tacos, food, two of my favorite foods. I put this because I love the earth and the environment. I put these two pictures because I like dancing. I put these flags because this is where my family is from. My dad is from Vietnam and my mom is from the Philippines. I put these because I love music and I play the ukulele. I put this for painting and this one for playing games. And this is Disney. This is from Tangled. And then this because I'm a teacher. So I put a lot of different pictures on my lockers. And then after you finish your locker, then you write your 5 sentences. So you can write your sentences like this. I put blank in my locker because blank. So I said, I put a purple flower in my locker because I love the color purple. Or I put the Vietnam flag and the Philippines flag because my family is from those countries. Okay, so you need to write 5 sentences. When you're done, you can turn it in over here on Google Classroom. And then I'm going to put everybody's together and then we can look at them. Okay, so that was what we did on Wednesday.